Hello, welcome to my little country kitchen. My name's Marianne. Do you remember that no, I just frozen, made some extra, my husband made some extra spaghetti mac. It's frozen, I did a little portion. I'm gonna go ahead and dump this in the microwave, see how it turns out. I just added a little bit of water so it can absorb and steam in the microwave. This is how it came out after 2 minutes. Ooh, there's some mushrooms in there, that'll be nice. Probably a little bit too much water. I'm gonna let it sit for a second, let that absorb that. In the meantime, let me show you the garlic bread that my son made. Hang on. Look at this beauty. Still steaming coming out of the oven. Okay, we'll show you how to make that in a future video, maybe next week. Okay, back to lunch. Okay, this turned out perfect. Let me show you. It's like perfectly al dente. Let's give it a taste. This is a trick for a perfect freezer pasta meal is parboil the noodles. Yeah, by parboiling those noodles for only 5 minutes, it left enough time for them to finish cooking when I cook them again for 2 minutes in the microwave. So let's try it with some bread. And dip some of that yummy sauce. Look at that. Yeah. It's a great 2-minute meal. Well, it did take him half an hour to cook the bread, so it was worth the wait. Yummy homemade fresh French garlic bread. Okay. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time. Bye.